Hi guys, this is my first video and today I'm just going to talk to you about random stuff. So this is my sis here. So I really want to start a mail time because they could also, I'm really sad because I traded my spike and I did not mean to. And now, I really don't know what. So, my username, as you can see here, is Re2003. And my sister's name is PuppyLover292. If you could gift us, that'd be great. This is my first video, as I said, so I have like no likes or anything. So help me, please. I need help. Or I'll have to stop doing videos, and that'd be really sad. So I don't scam people, but some people do, and it's really scary, let's just say that. I got scammed. My spike wristband, it was rare, and it was the black one, which is the best. So thanks guys, please like, subscribe, and comment. Sorry about that.